and respiratory health updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest. Sanofi Korea has received regulatory approval to expand the use of Dupixent as a maintenance therapy for adults with chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, who present with high eosinophil counts. This marks a significant milestone, as Dupixent becomes the first approved biologic therapy for COPD. The approval is based on data from the Phase 3 Boreas and Notice trials, which demonstrated significant reductions in exacerbation rates and meaningful improvements in lung function. Patients reported rapid improvement as early as week 2, with benefits sustained through week 52, alongside an enhanced quality of life. Promixin, an inhaled antibiotic used to treat Pseudomonas aeruginosa infections in cystic fibrosis and other chronic lung conditions, will be discontinued by May 2025. The decision follows the planned phase-out of INEB devices, which are required for administering the drug. While alternative treatments like colicim and colimicin remain available, their supply is currently limited. Healthcare providers are advised to transition patients by April 30, 2025, and ensure adequate training on new delivery devices to avoid treatment gaps. SMSbiotech has received approval to initiate a Phase 1 clinical trial for its novel stem cell therapy in COPD. The trial, set to begin in Australia, will be the first human study using small mobile stem cells. It will evaluate safety and tolerability in patients with mild to moderate COPD. These SMS cells are designed to regenerate damaged lung tissue, potentially reversing the progression of COPD. If successful, this could represent a significant leap forward in developing disease-modifying treatments for chronic lung disease. Xentria has announced the completion of enrollment in its Phase 1A/2B trial for Xtmab16, a TNF-alpha blocking monoclonal antibody developed to treat pulmonary sarcoidosis. A total of 39 patients have been enrolled across 17 sites in 4 countries. The study will be featured at the 2025 American Thoracic Society Conference. Xtmab16 aims to disrupt the inflammatory cascade and slow granuloma formation, providing a novel therapeutic approach to managing sarcoidosis. In tuberculosis research, the first patient has been dosed in a Phase 2 clinical trial evaluating Alpibectir in combination with standard first-line TB therapies. Conducted by BioVersys in collaboration with GSK, the 14-day trial seeks to enhance the efficacy of existing treatments by overcoming drug resistance mechanisms. Supported by the Unite4TB Consortium and the European Union, the study will continue through the end of 2025. Positive outcomes could pave the way for a new treatment strategy for multi-drug-resistant tuberculosis. Paratek Pharmaceuticals is set to acquire Optinose in a deal valued at up to $330 million, offering a potential return of $14 per share to Optinose investors. The acquisition aims to bolster Paratek's respiratory portfolio, especially after the recent label expansion of Xhance. Originally approved for chronic rhinosinusitis with nasal polyps, Xhance is now approved for CRS without nasal polyps as well, expanding its addressable market by nearly tenfold. Paratek plans to utilize its national sales force to accelerate market penetration, positioning itself as a multi-product specialty pharmaceutical leader. Stay ahead in lung and respiratory health research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit www.lqventures.com or email us at info@lqventures.com for expert